2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, MP3 player, bucket seats, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.